Okay, write the sequence form and find the ninth number. Right here we keep adding 5, don't we? So my first term is 2 plus, and I'm going to do n minus 1, and my common product is 5. That right there is the geometric sequence. Now I want the ninth term, 2 plus 9 minus 1 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 2 plus 40 is 42. This right here is a typo. This should be 162, and this should be 684 or 3 or 4. 486. So right here I'm multiplying by 3, aren't I? So I got a geometric sequence. My first term is 6. I'm going to put my common product of 3, and I'm going to put n minus 1 right here. And then I want to find the 7th term, 6 parentheses 3 to the 7th. 3 to the 7th, I need to use a calculator. 3 to the 7th is 2187. So I'm going to have 6 times 2187, and I'm going to multiply that using a calculator, and I get 13122. Okay, on this one right here, I'm dividing by 2, aren't I? Or I'm multiplying by half, right? Okay, so my first term is 800. My common product is 1/2, and my series is n minus 1. And I want the 8th term. So 800 times 1/2 to the 8 minus 1. So I need 1/2 to the 7th power. 0.5 to the 7th power is that, and then I'm going to multiply it by 800, and you get 6 2500ths. Wait. Six and 2500ths. And then on the last one, these aren't that hard. You just got to get used to doing the letters. What you do on these, when you solve for a letter, you want to circle what you want to get. So on this one, I want to get the L. That means I got to move the 2W and the 2. You're going to add or subtract first. So I'm going to subtract this across. So I'm going to get P minus 2W equals 2L. Now then, I still got the 2. The opposite of multiply is divide. So I get P minus 2W over 2 equals L. That's all you got to do. Right here, I want to solve for B. Circle the B. Okay, I need to divide by H, and to get rid of the 1/2, I'm going to multiply by 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of that 1/2. I'm going to multiply everything by 2. 2 times A is 2A, and then these 2's cross out to 1, don't they? So I have equal BH. Now then, I need to get rid of the H. The opposite of multiply is divide. So 2A over H equals my B. Right here, I want to get the A all by itself. So I need to move this over and get rid of that exponent. So I'm going to subtract the B squared. I'm going to get A squared equals C squared minus B squared. And then the opposite of a second power is a square root. So the square root deletes the exponent of 2. So A equals the square root of C squared minus B squared.